Hi everyone and welcome back to Yana's English Academy. Today we're exploring one of the most flexible little words in English, get. You might think get is just a simple verb, but it appears in tons of idioms and expressions used by advanced speakers every day. By the end of this video, you'll know the meanings, see clear examples, and be able to use these expressions naturally. Let's kick it off now. First, let's look at common expressions with get. Expression 1. Get rid of. To get rid of something means to remove something you don't want. For example, I really need to get rid of these old clothes I never wear. To get rid of somebody means to stop dealing with someone you don't want around. He wanted to get rid of the noisy salesman at the door. Next, let's see how to contrast or find someone or something. Expression 2, to get hold of. To get hold of something means to find or obtain something. For example, I finally got hold of the book I needed for my essay. To get hold of somebody means to contact someone. I can't get hold of Sarah. She's not answering her phone. Now, let's talk about becoming familiar with people or things. Expression 3. To get to know someone or something. To get to know something means to learn about or become familiar with something. I'm still getting to know the new software at work. To get to know somebody, on the other hand, means to become familiar with someone. So it takes time to get to know your new colleagues, for example. Next, moving out of the way. Number 4. To get out of the way means to move so something can pass. An example, the car needs to get out of the way of the ambulance. To get out of the way, when we talk about people, means to move so someone can pass. She stepped aside to let the children get out of the way. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Sometimes actions cause problems. Number 5. Get into trouble with somebody. To have problems because of someone. He got into trouble with his teacher for not submitting homework. Other times, it's about revenge. Number 6. To get your own back on somebody. This means to take revenge on someone. She played a prank on me, but I'll get my own back on her tomorrow. Now, let's move to idioms with get. Number 7. To get the wrong end of the stick. This means to misunderstand something. I told my friend I was busy, but she got the wrong end of the stick and thought I didn't want to see her. Number 8. To get real. This means to be realistic. You think you can pass the IELTS without studying? Get real. Number 9. Get a life. Do something interesting instead of being boring. Stop arguing online all day. Get a life. Now, number 10. Not get anywhere. This means to not make progress toward a goal. An example, I've been writing this essay for hours, but I'm not getting anywhere. Moving on to number 11. To get on somebody's nerves. This means to irritate or annoy someone. The sound of chewing constantly gets on my nerves. Number 12. Get your act together. When someone tells you that, they want you to organize yourself better. If she wants to succeed in the exam, she needs to get her act together. Number 13. To get on like a house on fire. To become friends very quickly. My cousin and my roommate got on like a house on fire. Number 14. To get a move on. This expression is used to mean to hurry up. We need to get a move on or we'll miss the bus. Next up we have number 15, be getting on a bit. This is always used in the continuous form. It's a polite way to say someone is getting old. My grandfather is getting on a bit, but he still jogs every morning. Number 16, get the message. To understand what somebody's trying to tell you. For example, I keep dropping hints about a pay rise, but my boss never gets the message. Number 17, to get your own way. To always manage to do what you want. This phrase can have a negative sense, implying stubbornness or selfishness when ignoring others' opinions, or a positive sense, showing determination and persistence in achieving goals. Some people always get their own way, even if it annoys others. This is a negative meaning. She got her own way in finishing the project her way, and it turned out really well. That was the positive meaning. So, from getting hold of something to getting your act together, we've seen just how versatile and powerful the word get is in English. Using these expressions and idioms will make your English sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident. Which expression was your favorite? Or maybe you already use some of these in your conversations. Let me know in the comments. I love reading your examples. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this lesson useful. And subscribe to Yana's English Academy for more tips. And before you go, check out my other videos, from tricky grammar points to advanced expressions. Everything you need to get ahead in English is right here on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And now, go out there and get speaking English like a pro.